They just dropped off my new 4000 Onan generator. I was gonna take the box off and see what we got here. Ordered it from Generators Direct, and it was really good service. Took him 3 weeks to, I don't know if they had to build them, or I guess they're built to order. But then once they shipped it, it didn't take long to get here. Looks like it's in really good shape. This is just all the extra wire. It hooks up to the motorhome. Oh, it looks nice in there, nice and clean. I think it was $3,250 after shipping. It was like $2,900 and something for the generator. That's the best price I could find on it. And then actually that wasn't shipping, that was tax. It was free shipping from Generators Direct. I've ordered generators from them before. I've got two Honda 2000 generators that are run in parallel, and I got them from them, and when I got them, they threw in a bunch of free engine covers, or generator covers, a bunch of 2 or 3 nice extension cords. So I was really happy with my experience with them. So I shopped around for the best price, and they won again. And then the shipping was very easy. I requested a lift gate on the truck, so they just set it right on the back of my tailgate of my pickup. So it all worked out pretty good. So let me check the oil level. Oh yeah, nice and clean. Let's see what some of these tags say. Unit contains 1540 oil. Check for proper oil level before operation. I just did that. It looks good. Generator output leads may be loose and uninsulated. Make proper connections prior to operation. I'll do that. Do not connect positive battery cable unless negative battery cable is disconnected at the battery. Okay, I'll have to remember to do that. But I'm anxious to get this installed, and I'll have to write down the hours on the hour meter inside the motorhome so I can keep track of the maintenance records for this, because I think it's showing 1900 and something for the other generator, and I don't know if there's any way to zero it out or not, but we'll just keep track of how many hours we add to it. So anyway, I'm excited to get this installed. we'll talk to everybody next time. Everybody have a good Labor Day weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.